This is the video tutorial that will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called DavidHasselhoff. This is the ransomware targeting many Windows computers all over the world today. My video, though, is solely for the educational purposes. I will show you how damaging this ransomware is, but I am not related to this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you how damaging it is and how you can possibly protect your files ahead of time. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware's attack, we were able to open our files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But very soon this ransomware is able to damage the files. It typically happens because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system. This ransomware appends this 247 /DavidHasselhoff extension to the file names. Removing this extension manually still does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. Then the ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page, which is combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner using the green download button, install the program, and then start researching the system. Initially, the application is in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and the removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. Then, after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I would recommend you that you consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, your data, your files will always be protected ahead of time. Speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.